My name is Vanessa Pialos. Have you ever had something that you're so passionate about that you just wanted to share with everyone that you meet? Well, just having a strategy, you're able to improve the way that you share that message with others. Looking at the lecture, we can see that there are many different strategies that we can use to help improve the way that we share our knowledge with others through presentation. In this presentation, we're going to see how Mark Kushner was able to have a successful presentation using these key points. By first grabbing the attention of the audience, using an organizational pattern, and also analyzing his audience. When it comes to presenting, first impression matters a lot. This will indicate whether your audience will pay attention throughout your presentation or not. Mark Kushner was able to grab my attention and he held it throughout the whole presentation. He first done this by bringing us into his world and showing us his point of view and how he experienced architecture. He also guided us throughout his whole presentation using imagery, which as a visual learner, this really help us audience that are visual learners help have a better understanding of what he is trying to convey. Mark Kushner used a web pattern. With this, he was able to use a lot of varieties of examples to help us better understand his standpoint. He also used examples that his audience was familiar with. From this, we're able to see that Mark Kushner actually did some research and knew who his audience was before the presentation. This can be seen with one of the examples where he talked about how in the 80s the buildings were very bright, fun, neon lights with special structures, and this was due to the fact that in the 80s everyone was very colorful and bright and happy, and from there he had a great reaction from the audience, giving him a connection with the audience. To conclude, Mark Kushner was very successful in his presentation by being able to grab the attention of his audience using a pattern of organizing his presentation in a way that helps his audience better understand his standpoint more clearly, and lastly, knowing his audience and having a connection with them. That is why having this knowledge and knowing how to set up your presentation can really help you be successful in whatever you do, whether it's in your career or just with your family and friends. Being able to know how to convey a message is very important. Thank you.